How to verify Fanvue account. Now, there are things or requirements for you to follow for you to be able to obtain the verified badge, indicating that your Fanvue account is fully verified. Now, if you head over directly to fanvue.com and heading over to their support, according to them, the very first thing that you need to follow for you to obtain the verified badge is to promote Fanvue using your Twitter account. You just gotta make sure that you have tagged or simply follow this description right here that says at Fanvue and use the hashtag Fanvue verified badge. You also need to ensure that your Fanvue profile follows their terms and conditions and their community guidelines. So that's it. There's actually all of these steps right here. You just gotta follow these things, and then you should be able to get or obtain your verified badge. However, if you already followed all of these steps or requirements and you have not verified the account yet, your audit or their audit team will check both of the above and award your account with a out an email from the Fanvue support or just heading this option right here for you to coordinate with one of their customer service. So those are the things that you need to do for you to verify your Fanvue account.